So, hello everyone, welcome back to Code Arena, and today we're going to be making and learning how to make a testimonials page in Figma in our website design. So, if you want to make this whole website design, which is the graphics and illustration website design in Figma, then the whole tutorial on this is in the description. All the best. The first step to make this testimonials page in Figma is to make the testimonials section, right? So just ignore these uh, two testimonials, it will not take any time. So what you can do is select this text and click alt or copy this text and paste here and change the color. Okay, change the color to the button. Now let me teach you all how to make this, right? How to make this. Basically I'm gonna delete this, like 1 2 and 3. So first what we'll do is we'll create a rectangle and we'll curve the borders with the help of corner radius for 20 pixels, and after doing that, see, we have this image, no problem, let me keep it aside. We have this circle that we made, normal circle that we made, and after that we have this Amina S. You have to mention your name. Example, it's Alam. So you have to mention Alam in it. Okay, any name you could mention. It's Roha, so you have to mention Roha in it. Right? And then I have already given you all this default text in the all elements option, and set this rectangle's color to this hex color code that I'm giving you all. Right? This is the hex color code. Check that and paste there. And then I have already given you this normal icon or element here. You just have to keep it here. And now the main thing arrives. You have to group all of these. See, I am selecting this and this. Just a minute, let me keep it aside. I am selecting this and this. Okay, just a minute. First rectangle, then text, then hero title, then this. And I'm gonna do alt, and this will be quickly done one time and the second time. So it's done for 3 times, right? It's quite easy. And then you have to put this whole icon here, and you have to do the same process, 1 2 and 3, right? So our testimonials part is completely done.